Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So, quick video. Notice how that
now take exit 66B on
the
the
car
right.
did the indication by itself. That was not me. It's taking the exit completely on its own using Navigate on autopilot. My speed is set at 50, and let's see if it will automatically go down because this is a super sharp turn. Recommended at 30. So here we go. And it slowed down to about 35. Really sharp turn here. It was able to handle it. So well done with that. Not a good job at the car didn't merge after getting onto the road, so let's see what it does here at the green light. But I have to say, good job about slowing down, about maintaining the proper speed for the turn. I didn't feel like it was turning out of control at all. So just want to show you all some of the differences between full self-driving and the autopilot software. I found myself having to lower the speed using the scroll wheel when it comes to exits, but FSD is gonna kind of do that for you. Another thing is when you're sitting at the traffic light, autopilot may ask you to input through, so it will actually come to a stop at a green light unless you give it some input telling it to go. So that's one thing FSD does not do, and it doesn't do that, and that makes it the whole experience a whole lot better. So let's see if we're able to now merge into the right lane, or I'm sorry, the left lane. Alright, so I had to do a takeover there. The car did not do a merge. It sped up, but so did the person next to me. So not a great job with that, but again, this is why we're still in beta program and you have to be ready to take over at any given moment. So I want to thank you all again for watching this video. This was how to take an off-ramp from the highway onto a road. So if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button, and more FSD beta content coming your way. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you have a great day.